The Solumina Manufacturing Execution System is purpose-built for complex, discrete manufacturing in the most demanding industries, including aerospace and defense, space and satellite, industrial equipment, and more. Solumina MES helps manage the execution of your complex work processes to deliver better visibility and control, improved operational agility, and simplified reporting, tracking, and traceability. Connect people, data, and processes with a powerful and flexible role-based system, allowing users to instantly access the data they need to execute safely and efficiently. With Solumina MES, you can flexibly control the flow of work in your manufacturing process. Our dynamic operational flow allows you to create a production routing that reflects your complex manufacturing process. This intelligent system acts as a central manager. It ensures digital work instructions are being followed by qualified and certified technicians, and using the properly calibrated tools and parts. Easily consume resources at all levels to dynamically build your digital footprint. Identify non-conformances and update work orders with rework instructions in real time, and address problems today to keep them from escalating tomorrow. Quickly access your unit history report to view your end item data package with all relevant part, tool, data, and defect information that has been collected throughout your process. And visualize your digital thread for traceability. As part of the Solumina Manufacturing Operations Platform, Solumina MES integrates natively with Solumina Maintenance Repair and Overhaul, Supplier Quality Management, and Embedded Enterprise Quality Management, creating a seamless flow of data across the product lifecycle. Today's complex, discrete manufacturers need a purpose-built solution that delivers greater precision, efficiency, and compliance across the entire value chain. Solumina, your comprehensive MES for intelligent manufacturing.